Jai Gurudev. Today we speak about beauty lies in the eyes of a beholder. Beauty lies in the eyes of a beholder. Everybody knows about this. Whatever you see, your friend may not be seeing the same thing. You may like red color, your friend may like yellow color. It is there, which one is beautiful. So your likes are different from other likes. How you are seeing, maybe not seeing others the same. That's why it is said to be beauty lies in the eyes of a beholder. And also, always think about the positivity. See beauty of this universe. The great creator, almighty nature, such a wonderful nature, how could he create any waste things on this earth, in this universe? Everything is wonderful. So, what we have to see? We have to see the positivity, wonderful, the great creator, almighty nature. We have to improve that type of attitude. Then only you are said to be great personalities, enlightened people. I will narrate one small story regarding this. One enlightened guru and Shishya, they are just going on the way. The guru always sees beauty, wonderful, greatness, positivity. So, the nature's creation, he always says beautiful. And the disciple always been negative. Why this guru is always been seeing dirty things also he is saying, very good. Okay, nice things, very good, agreed. But any bad person comes, very good. Very good person comes, very good. For everything, he was saying, the guru was saying positive, positive, good, beauty, wonderful, gorgeous, tremendous. All superlatives he used to speak. And the Shishya is low level. Why this guru has always been thinking like this? I don't see any good things, and he is saying very good, very good. So the Shishya is just fond of finding fault in his guru. So he is just waiting for the chance where the guru is going to see the positivity. One day, these two are passing by on the way. So there was a dog killed. And it was laying, I don't know since how many days it was lying over there. Nobody is touching it, nobody is removing it. And it has been giving the rotten smell, very bad smell. And insects are there always. So it looks very, very dirty, ugly, actually dirty, very ugly. People who are passing by, they are just closing their nose and moving away from that path. So when they approached this guru and Shishya, Shishya was saying to the guru, Guruji, let us go away from this. Oh my goodness, very bad smell is coming. I can't bear it. What is the reaction of Guru? He was smiling. He was smiling. He never closed his nose. He never is going away from the path. He was seeing at that dog, ugly, rotten. So many insects are there, all the round of that. And Shishya was closing his nose and going away. They are just passing. So now Shishya thought, yeah, now Mokha mil gaya. Ab chance has come for me. And he asked the Guru, Guruji, what the positivity you are looking at that dog? What beauty is there in the dog? So we got bathed, the smell and its appearance. So the Guruji just looked at the dog. So dog's skull, that means this that has been totally, flesh is removed and only skeleton is there. Sunlight is falling on the teeth of the dog and it is glittering because of the sun rays on the teeth of the dog. So it is glittering reflection because tooth are shining over there and everything is rotted. See, great people, what they see. Are Shishya, see how this tooth are giving wonderful shining, the sun shining, glittering. Don't you see the beauty there? Don't you see the beauty on the tooth of a dog with the rays of sun glittering like a diamonds? So then Shishya melted like anything. Crying, tears coming from his eyes. Oh my God, this is the greatness of my Guru. He fell down on the feet of a Gurudev. He just hugged his feet. I am really ignorant, a fool. Such a wonderful personality is there. I am always been finding faults in him. Oh my Gurudev, just bless me. I realize that God, the truth of the knowledge, what we have to see, how we have to see positivity, how we have to see the beauty, how we have to make our eyes stressless, pure, how to improve our consciousness. Bless me, my Dev, my Gurudev, bless me. So this is what we have to habituate to see the beauty everywhere. We should not find faults in others. First we find faults within ourselves and then look after others. Please, let them, what is there? Why we criticize people? So develop that beauty, develop that positivity. Okay? So, if you like this video, Jai Gurudev.